You're watching Global News Morning.
Decisions as to the extent of reopening and the timing seem to be imminent.
Pushing for a timeline, the superintendent of the Surrey School District says a decision is coming very soon. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm Paul Haysom. New modeling projections show that BC could have no cases of COVID-19 by the middle of next month. Dr. Bonnie Henry says we'll reach that number if people stay home. Henry says most people have cut their social interactions to about 30% of their normal. That has helped BC flatten the curve. Modeling also showed that men 50 years and older have been hit the hardest by this virus. Healthcare workers account for 20% of all cases in the province. Officials say we need to stay the course so cases don't spike.
We made a difference. We made a very big difference. A difference that's kept most of us healthy, that's kept our healthcare system sound. A difference that saved lives of our neighbors and our friends. By standing apart and working together, we changed our future for ourselves, for the ones we love, for the ones we don't know.
Now, those projections will help the province figure out how to reopen the economy. Premier John Horgan expected to unveil plans for relaxing some measures tomorrow. Health officials outline some key steps that are needed for moving forward. They say physical distancing will be critical in any plans to reopen. Businesses will have to install physical barriers like plexiglass. Crowd control and wearing personal protective equipment will also be crucial.
We have good examples of how that works in our grocery stores. We need to think about those types of models in other retail settings. So it's still having the online, the sort of mixture of online and in-store experience, if you will. Reducing the numbers of people that can be in a store at a period of time. Making sure that we have hand hygiene available for people.
The number of people in the ICU continues to drop, another encouraging sign here in BC. 53 new cases confirmed between Saturday and Monday. That brings the provincial total to 2,224. Sadly, 3 more people have died from the virus. The death toll now sitting at 117. 77 people are in hospital, 20 people in the ICU, while 1,417 people have now fully recovered. Dr. Bonnie Henry says most of the new cases are linked to outbreaks at specific locations. And on Monday, no new outbreaks at long-term care homes.
Lynn Valley is absolutely that. We have not had new cases there for some time. As I mentioned before, we wait 2 incubation periods before we declare an outbreak over in that situation. So we are still holding our breath on Lynn Valley, but it looks like things are going well.